Find or read reviews that people are talking about. CERRXIAN Wireless Earbuds, Red Bluetooth Earbuds with Charging Case LED. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose CERRXIAN Wireless Earbuds. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Bluetooth Gaming Earbuds. Game/music dual mode independent switching, combined with EQ digital algorithms to achieve the two sound modes, the game and music freely switch song, game a machine to handle. LED indicator and touch control. Simply operate the earbuds with your fingertips to answer/end calls, play music and activate the voice assistant. To facilitate everyday use, there is an LED indicator on the charging cradle. Long play time. 3 to 4 hour long-lasting battery life and about 300 mAh charging box that can charge the headset 7 to 8 times, and thus provides 32 hours of playtime. HiFi True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. The Bluetooth earbuds come with a 14mm vibrating diaphragm and HD rendering technology and ensure that you hear every note and beat with utmost clarity. One-step connection. Simply remove the earphones from the charging cradle and they turn on automatically. Turn on the Bluetooth function of your device and search it to establish wireless connection in seconds. Compatible with Windows PCs, Android, and iOS devices. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.